The role of digital transformation in organizational structure. Digital transformation is reshaping how organizations operate, compete, and deliver value. As companies integrate advanced technologies into their business models, their organizational structures must evolve to support innovation, agility, and efficiency. In this lesson, we'll explore how digital transformation impacts organizational design, key challenges in adopting new structures, and best practices for building a digitally enabled organization. Why digital transformation matters in organizational design. Technology is no longer just a support function, it is a strategic driver of business success. Digital transformation influences organizational structure by enabling faster decision-making. Automation and data analytics reduce the time required for decision-making. Greater flexibility. Remote work, cloud computing, and AI allow organizations to operate without traditional hierarchies. Enhanced collaboration. Digital tools facilitate seamless teamwork across departments, locations, and even time zones. Customer centricity. Businesses can leverage data insights to personalize services and improve customer experience. Without adapting the organizational structure to digital transformation, companies risk inefficiencies, siloed operations, and missed opportunities for growth. Key organizational structures in the digital age. Flat organizational structures. Digital transformation reduces the need for rigid hierarchies, enabling flatter organizations where employees have more autonomy and direct access to leadership. Pros. Faster decision-making and innovation. Encourages a culture of empowerment and accountability. Cons. Can create confusion in roles and responsibilities if not managed properly. Requires strong leadership to guide decentralized teams. Agile organizations. Agile organizations embrace digital tools to create cross-functional teams that work iteratively to deliver results quickly. Key features. Teams are organized around projects or customer needs rather than fixed departments. Uses methodologies like Scrum or Kanban to enhance productivity. Pros. Increases adaptability in fast-changing industries. Encourages rapid innovation and problem-solving. Cons. Can be challenging to implement at scale. Requires a cultural shift toward continuous learning and iteration. 3. Hybrid and remote-first structures. With cloud-based tools and collaboration platforms, organizations can operate seamlessly across locations, enabling hybrid or fully remote structures. Pros. Expands access to a global talent pool. Reduces costs associated with physical offices. Cons. Requires strong digital infrastructure and communication strategies. Can lead to engagement and collaboration challenges if not well managed. Challenges in adopting digital-driven structures. 1. Non-resistance to change. Employees may struggle to adapt to new ways of working, requiring strong leadership and change management. 2. Cybersecurity risks. Increased reliance on digital tools makes organizations more vulnerable to cyber threats. 3. Skill gaps. Teams must continuously upskill to leverage digital technologies effectively. 4. Integration complexity. Legacy systems may not easily integrate with new digital solutions. Best practices for aligning organizational design with digital transformation. Invest in leadership development. Leaders should be trained to navigate digital shifts and manage virtual teams effectively. Encourage a culture of innovation. Promote experimentation and digital literacy across the workforce. Leverage data for decision-making. Implement AI-driven insights to optimize operations and customer experiences. Adopt scalable technologies. Ensure that digital tools can grow alongside the organization. Focus on employee experience. Design structures that prioritize employee well-being and engagement in digital work environments. Case studies, digital transformation in action. One Amazon, a tech-driven organizational model. Amazon continuously adapts its organizational structure to leverage AI, automation, and cloud computing. Uses a data-driven decision-making approach to optimize logistics, customer service, and personalization. 2. Netflix, agile and data-driven culture. Uses a flat organizational structure to empower employees to make quick decisions. Leverages big data analytics to optimize content recommendations and production strategies. 3. Microsoft hybrid work transformation. Shifted to a remote-first mindset, integrating digital tools for collaboration. Focused on cloud-based solutions like Microsoft Teams to streamline communication. Final thoughts. Digital transformation is not just about technology. It's about how organizations structure themselves to harness technology effectively. Companies that adapt their organizational design to digital advancements will stay competitive, agile, and future-ready. In the next lesson, we will explore how leadership and digital governance play a role in sustaining a digitally transformed organization.